let me tell you how I look at AI. It's like the washing machine. And I always explain that to people like that. I am still in charge of doing the laundry. I need my expertise, what goes into that washing machine. I know that white and red is not a good combination, but it makes my life easier. Instead of doing the laundry for the full day, now I can do it for me in 1 hour. But I'm still in control and I decide what goes in it. And if I don't have the knowledge, the expertise, what goes in the washing machine, it's going to do a really bad job. So AI doesn't exclude expertise. It's a must-have to run AI or use AI and technology well, because if you don't have the expertise, the outcome will be not so great. So AI just accelerates our expertise and the output. So now we don't need to do a study for 1 year about something. AI can do it, and we can implement the greatest structure and policies and whatever we want to implement, interventions, within a week. We have a strategy, everything is done because we have the expertise, we know how to do it, we have the blueprint, we studied it, and now we use that knowledge and expertise and experience to feed AI, and AI will do all the hard work for us in terms of thinking.